Hello guys, good morning. Gumising na ako. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Pagkatapos, the first thing to do in the morning is I am really trying my best na timbangin yung sarili ko kasi I'm going overweight na and I really need to diet as in very serious kasi I think I'm overweight na for my age and my height. So, kailangan ko talagang gumawa ng strategy. And then, next thing, kasi nagising ako ng late, sinusulit ko kasi off ako ngayon. So, linis-linis muna, tapos pinapalinis ko din tong vacuum kasi I don't want to exercise na maalikabok kasi andito yung aso ko namin sa basement. Dito ko na siya nilagay. And then, I have an allergy too. So, kailangan ko talaga ng vacuum. And then, ito nga, 30 minutes ako sa treadmill. I was running. Tapos, 5, yung speed ko, maximum 5 speed or 4. Kasi super bilis naman talaga niya. So, I don't really have to do 10 speed. Tapos, ito, after kong mag-treadmill is nagluto na ako. Na-marinate ko na pala yung manok ko kagabi. Hindi ko na napakita. And then, of course, I always have my brewed coffee in the morning, black coffee. Tapos hinuhugasan ko lang tong lalagyan ng coffee para hindi naman masyadong marumi kasi nagsistain yung coffee. Tapos piniprito ka lang tong mga chicken wings na leftover from Costco kasi ang dami-dami pa talaga. Sa Costco kasi pag bumili ka ng manok, madami talaga siya. So ayan nga, I'm almost done with my cooking. Tapos yung anak ko kumakain na din. Pinauna ko na siyang kumain. Tapos, ayan na nga yung chicken, tsaka gyoza, tsaka coffee. So, kumain na tayo. This is brunch. Actually, it's past 12 noon na, mga 1 p.m. na I think ito. Nung kumain ako, kasi nga nagising ako ng late, and then of course brown rice. Tapos para tipid, minimix ko lang siya ng white rice, little bit of white rice. Tapos so 3 cups of brown rice, tapos 1 cup of white rice. Tapos I'm trying the gyoza. Oh my god, so yummy guys, with the sauce. Actually sa Costco lang namin to nabili, and it's I think for $10, and it's really yummy talaga. Super nice. Kasi nag-crave ako ng siomai, I think 2 days ago. Tapos, gyoza yung nakita namin sa Costco. Ang hirap naman din kasi maghanap ng siomai. Maybe sa Filipino store. Or pwede din kaming gumawa. So, depending if my time. Tapos, ito namang chicken wings na na-marinate ko last night ng toyo, suka, garlic powder, pepper, tsaka salt. Is so very yummy talaga guys. Grabe. I enjoyed my cooking. So, ayan, kumakain kami ni Hana. And for my dessert, isaging lang na I cut it into 3 slices. Kasi naman, sobrang laki din naman ng saging dito sa Canada. So, hindi ko siya maubos ang isang saging. So, ayan, that's my dessert. And then, so, after namin kumain, diba, kailangan ko ding mag-prepare ng pagkain ni Chokoy. Si Chokoy yung aso namin. Chokoy means bantay in Tagalog. So, yan. And then, sinaslice ko lang to. This was leftover Korean chicken from Costco pa din with fried rice. Ang sarap-sarap din ito. But, di na kasi kinain ni Hana. So, ito na lang bibigay ko kay Chokoy. Pagkatapos ay bigyan ko din siya ng gyoza at saka chicken wing. So, hinihimay ko lang siya ng maliliit para naman comfortable siya kumain. At ito nga ay naghihintay na siya sa akin sa basement kasi ito yung territory niya. Tapos, ito na nga ay giving him, kasali talaga si Chokoy sa pagkain namin. Actually, palagi kaming nag-aaway nito until na-discover ko na pwede ko naman pala siyang ilagay dito sa basement kasi walang carpet. Sa taas kasi may carpet. Tapos umiihi kasi siya palagi. Lagi akong nasistress at sumasakit yung ulo ko. Tsaka, yan nga, allergy din ako sa balahibo. Sinisipon ako. So, eto na guys. Inom muna ako ng tubig kasi nahingal ako. I'm just prepping for my ingredients. Sa susunod na lulutuin ko, mostly vegetables, onions, bell pepper, carrot, and then huhugasan ko rin tong isda kasi magpiprito ako ng isda. So, it's fried fish. Gustong-gusto ko tong isda na to. It's from Costco. So, yeah. Tapos, nagpupunas muna ako kasi masyadong oily ang gas namin at saka itong kitchen area. And then, I usually do this talaga pag yung may time ako, especially when I'm not working. Tapos, naglilinis ng kitchen area. Tapos, si Hannah humingi ng milk. So, I'm giving her milk. Ayan yung kwarto niya. We still need to fix it. Kasi ang gulo-gulo. Tapos, yan. I'm just slicing the fish in 3 parts. Kasi, ang laki-laki din naman itong tilapia. I'm also doing a food prep as well today. And then, yan. Gusto ko maliit lang siya na portion para magkasya siya sa mga container ko. And then I'm just using the used oil that I used earlier in frying the chickens kasi sayang naman, once ko lang nagamit. And then I'm prepping again the vegetables like the carrots and the bell pepper for my food prep. Lalagay ko lang siya sa pagkain ko mamaya so that I don't have to worry about it na for probably it will last like 3 days. Tapos siya, napeprito lang ako ng isda. Ang ganda-ganda naman ng mga mermaids. Super cute. Super ganda. Pinkish. Tapos, naka-timer lang yan siya while I will be cutting the vegetables. So, I'm starting with the orange bell pepper. Iniisa-isa ko talaga siya. And then, I'm cleaning it para maganda naman, tsaka clean. So, yan. Actually, nakita ko tong food prep na to sa YouTube. And then, I saw this on Facebook as well. So, marami naman talagang gumagawa na nito. And, ginaya ko lang siya. I was thinking about it at gusto ko ding masubukan kung masarap ba siya or hindi. Para na din akong gumagawa ng pansit nito. Kasi I have red, yellow, and orange na bell pepper. It's very, very satisfying lang na maghiwa pala ng mga vegetables. I usually do this, guys, but I don't have time to film it because I'm really, really fast when I'm cooking. Kasi, diba, most of the time na magluluto ako, gutom ako. So, hindi ko na siya na-video. Most of the videos that I'm making is yung pa-relax-relax na lang, kasi galing akong luto doon, or linis, or taking care of my daughter. Ang dami-dami talagang chores dito sa Canada. Kasi especially, diba, we don't have helpers, we don't have maids here. Even sa Philippines naman, wala din kami. Pero, madali lang tumawag ng tulong in the Philippines. While in here, kami talaga lahat gumagawa. From linis to laundry to cooking. Tapos may anak pa kami. So, yeah, we're really doing everything. Now, to finish off, I am just slicing a carrot too. Kasi nakita ko din to sa mga vloggers here in Canada. And, yeah, matagal na tong carrot sa ref. And I figured that, bakit hindi ko to siya sliced, tapos I will mix it with a salad. And this one, autumn na talaga in Canada, guys. It's fall season, the leaves are yellow, and the leaves are falling off na sa road. Tapos ito, papunta lang kami simbahan because today is Sunday, and we're going to attend the church just to give thanks to God for all of the blessings received. And ito na nga, late nights prep, food prep. I sauteed the bell peppers with just onions and garlic, and then I'm doing the food prep. I'm just putting some brown rice with white rice, and then eto na yung mga pagkain ko. Chicken, gyoza, dalawa na lang gyoza ang natira, guys, because nagustuhan nila at nagustuhan ko din. It's so yummy talaga. It's very nice. And then, yung chicken wings ko, konti na lang din ang natira. And then, I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions. 5 food preps. So, it's good for probably 2 days lang to. And then, I'm just putting some lettuce and carrots para naman may kulay. And then, so it should be a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Kaya, itong food prep ko. At saka si Hana naman, she wanted to try kasi nagustuhan niya, parang na gaganahan siya gatanaw, parang ang iyang mata ni sparkle pagkakita sa mga colors, and she likes vegetables too. So moto nya karon gagama ko yogurt, 3 spoonful of yogurt with walnut and with chia seeds and pumpkin seeds, because naidaghang rich in magnesium daw ning pumpkin seeds and is very healthy. And then the walnut seeds pod. So, 3 teaspoons too. Mix kasi ito yung magiging snacks ko for tomorrow. Kasi, yeah, it's really, really nice na gumawa talaga ng prep. And then, yeah, I will try my best. Ito pala first time ko mag-prep. May time na talaga akong gumawa nito. And then for my fruits pala is, nag-slice lang ako ng banana and apple. And I also have avocados. Tapos ito naman lahat yung mga na food prep ko. Hugas at linis na lang. Bye-bye. Good night.